Hello students, let us study Civics Chapter 1 Introduction to our Constitution. In the previous classes, we have seen that rules are necessary to ensure smooth conduct of the activities in our lives. We follow norms in family and rules in our village, city or school. The administration of our country is carried out through a system of rules. What is a constitution? Constitution is the book in which all the provisions regarding the administration of a country are mentioned together in a systematic way. Constitution is the fundamental law of the land. The representatives elected by the people are bound to carry out the administration of the country as per the provisions of the Constitution. Judiciary has been given power to declare the laws which do not observe the provisions of the Constitution as unconstitutional, null and void. Provision in the Constitution. The Constitution contains provisions regarding the citizenship, the rights of the citizens, relations between the citizens and the state, powers, jurisdiction and restrictions on the powers of the government, elections, etc. The principle of governance, according to the provisions of the Constitution, is accepted by almost all countries. Each constitution is distinct in nature as it is created to suit its need and objectives and due to the difference in history, social structure and the cultural traditions. Let us see advantages of the Constitution. The advantages of the Constitution are reduces the possibility of misuse of power and authority by the government, safeguards the rights and freedom of the people, establishes the rule of law so there is no scope for misuse of power, increases the faith and participation of the people in their governance, which strengthens democracy, sets the political ideals and creates an atmosphere conducive to attain world peace and security and preservation of human rights, fixes the responsibilities of the citizens. What is an administration? Governance or administration is the process of taking decisions regarding the issues before the country. Governance is undertaken by the government. The government has to make laws relating to defending boundaries, protection from external aggression, eradication of poverty, creating employment, education, health, commerce industries, protection of weaker section, progress of women, children and tribal people, etc. Background of the Constitution. The process of making the Constitution of India started in 1946. The leaders of the freedom movement insisted on laws to be made by the Indians themselves. For this purpose, a committee known as the Constitution Assembly was set up. Let us see what is a Constitution Assembly. The representatives of the different provinces and the princely states were included in the Constitution Assembly. The Constitution Assembly consisted of 299 members. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of the Constituent Assembly, whereas Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. Let us see contribution of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Dr. Babasaheb studied various constitutions of the world in depth. The draft constitution prepared by him was discussed article by article and amendments were suggested by the members. He answered the questions raised and suggestions given, making the constitution flawless. Due to his contribution in making the constitution, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is called the architect of the Indian Constitution. Making and features of the Constitution. The task of making Constitution was completed in 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. The original Constitution had 395 articles which were divided into 22 parts and 8 schedules. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Sarojini Naidu, J.B. Kriplani, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, Durgabai Deshmukh, Hansaben Mehta were the prominent members of the Constituent Assembly. B.N. Rao, a noted legal expert, was the constitutional advisor on legal matters. The Constitution was enacted on 26th November 1949. The governance of the country as per the provisions of the Constitution started from 26th January 1950. The Constitution Assembly enacted the Constitution and adopted it on 26th November 1949. Therefore, 26th November is observed as Constitution Day. The country began to be governed according to the provisions of the Constitution from 26th January 1950. The Indian Republic came into existence from this day. Therefore, 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day.